Thanks for joining us today on Atmoscenter. I'm Austin. It's going to be a nice Monday for half the day, and then afterwards it's going to get a little wet out there. But right now it's kind of cloudy outside, as you probably already have seen. We have had some patchy fog reported earlier this morning that may stick through until about lunchtime, so just be aware if you're driving around in areas that are usually prone to fog. You could have a little bit of fog out there. Just drive a little bit slower, be careful. Otherwise, though, the big story for today, showers that are going to be turning into thunderstorms tonight and then tomorrow. We'll be talking about that more here in a second. Now, here's your clouds. Pretty much our entire area is covered in clouds. Thick clouds, not going to be seeing the sun, unfortunately, today. So if you love the sun that much, I'm sorry. Maybe drive off to the east and you might be able to find some. But otherwise, you can see here's the rain, mostly just moderate rain showers, maybe a clap of thunder or two, and that, what we'll be seeing as well, maybe occasional clap of thunder. Otherwise, though, we'll be seeing some light showers and moderate rainfall later into the day. Now then, looking at a more regional view again, here's your line of showers and thunderstorms, mostly off to our west and northwest. They'll be moving into our area. Looks like New Orleans is seeing maybe some heavier rain showers and thunder showers, but otherwise mostly just moderate rain showers. That's what we expect to see here. Here's the futurecast around 12:45 this afternoon. You can see just mostly rain showers, moves into more rain showers. Now then later tonight, the occasional clap of thunder possible, as well as we were talking about earlier. It's around 8:40 tonight. And then that moves out, and then tomorrow we see more clouds and the rain begins to show back up. You can see it just off the western edge of the map here through central Mississippi. That's where the more severe weather is expected, but then we could see also some severe weather in our area as well. And then that should be getting here around 1:30 Wednesday morning, so late Tuesday night, early Wednesday morning. You could be seeing the heavier rain and the heavier thunderstorms, and then those move out of our area, and we just expect it to be cloudy, and then the occasional rain shower on Wednesday. But after that, it clears out. Now then, for today, 69 degrees around noon, and that's going to stay that way until about 3 o'clock. It's not really going to warm up or cool off today. It's already around 67, 68 degrees, and it's going to stay that way until 3 o'clock. And then a little later, it's going to cool off some to around 64 or so, but we only have a low of 57 tonight. Now, as you saw behind me, it's going to be raining most of the day today after 12 o'clock, so just be aware if you have any plans outside. Just understand it is going to be a little bit wet out there. Now then, while I was talking about with the occasional clap of thunder, the Storm Prediction Center has kind of forecast mostly just thunder around our area. Nothing really severe, just the occasional thunderstorm. As you can see here, this is all thunder. Now tomorrow, though, that changes. This is an enhanced risk in our area for most of south central Alabama and southern Mississippi. And so what this means is that there are severe weather is likely, and probably will be seeing some very strong wind, at least for sure. The occasional hail, and there is a possibility of tornadoes. That is a little bit more around northern parts of our area and farther north, but it is possible. So just have a weather radio, have a flashlight for sure, maybe some water, some food. Just be aware you may lose power for some time. It is possible. So just be smart, be prepared, be watching your local broadcast meteorologist to stay tuned with what's going on at that time. Now tonight again, our low is 57 degrees. There will be some lingering showers, maybe some patchy fog again as well, with a southerly wind of around 5 miles an hour. Tomorrow, a little bit different story. It's still going to be in the 70s, but it's going to be storming pretty much all day today, or all day tomorrow, excuse me, and then there's some severe storms possible later tomorrow, again, as we talked about. And it's going to be breezy with winds 15 to 20 miles an hour, and so just be aware of that. That's also going to stay around for the next couple days. Wednesday, we're also expecting breezy winds, so just be aware. Now then again, rain the next 3 days with the real severe stuff coming in on Tuesday, and then you can also see the highs really drop off after Tuesday with around 60-degree high on Wednesday, and then that continues on through the rest of the week, with 60s being the dominant factor here. Thursday and Friday seeing close to 60-degree highs, but you look at your lows. We go from mid-50s lows to mid-30s lows, so a little bit different story. But otherwise, after Wednesday, the sun comes back, and so it's going to be beautiful for the rest of your week. But again, tomorrow and tomorrow night, we're really going to be looking for some strong storms. Now then, we would love it if you liked us on Facebook or followed us on Twitter at Atmoscenter USA. And we want to say a special thank you to you and our sponsors for making this possible. Have a wonderful Monday.